Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am participating in hashtag Tag Tuesday. Now, this morning I started off with one project, had to shift, and so now what you see me doing is applying some alcohol ink to transparency film. I had got a big pack of it from a Goodwill store a few weeks back, and so right now what you see me doing is just creating a mixture. Up until now, I have been using Tim Holtz alcohol inks, but now you see me applying an alcohol ink that I created myself using, I think it's 90 proof alcohol and remnants from markers that had dried out. The reason I decided to go ahead and use this particular alcohol ink as well is because the Tim Holtz inks are going to dry a lot faster, and this particular mixture allows me to get a little more run from the inks that have already been applied. Let's Resin reached out to me and asked me if I would test some of their chrome markers. So what I'm doing is I am incorporating some of, this is one of the gold markers, into this particular palette so that once I get ready to do some sort of pool or mixture, I have already incorporated this color into it. I'm placing my transparency film onto just a regular sheet of cardstock, and I am pressing down on the film. As you can see, what I'm trying to do is basically transfer as much of the ink from the transparency film down to the actual cardstock so that I can have some decorative bases to work from. Here is one of the color schematics that was pulled from the transparency film. So right now what I'm doing is just cutting my tags down so that I can be able to go ahead and use them. I typically work with 3x7. Here you can see me applying some of the chrome from one of the additional markers to another sheet of cardstock paper because I intend to further dilute the alcohol ink solution that's on my transparency film and try to do a different pool so that I can have a different hue of colors to work with, different set of backgrounds. I pulled these wall decals out of my stash even though I've stamped. I just want to see if they give off the same glare that the Temu stickers do. I decided to back my tags with a little light chipboard to give it a little extra weight. Because I am going to be using my Let's Resin chrome markers to outline my tags, I had to go ahead and grab my ruler because to be honest with you, I cannot draw a straight line. And in order for my tags to look the way I want them to look, I needed a little help. I decided to add eyelets to the tags so that they could have a much more polished look. So everyone, here are the tags that I created today for hashtag Tag Tuesday. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this project today. If you would, subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Be good to yourself. I greatly appreciate it. Take care.